am showing you interlocking hook tape stickers. Through these stickers, all your mats, big bed sheets that you spread on your bed or sofa covers get tangled. These types of tapes and stickers stick things together perfectly. I am showing you grain storage boxes for storing grains, etc. and rice. You will get very nice transparent covers to keep all these. I am showing you waterproof ear sticker covers. Water enters the ears while bathing, which causes a lot of trouble and is very protective, especially for children. These types of stickers, if you are bathing your children or bathing yourself, you can stick these stickers on your ears. Multi-layer shoes rack stand. You will get this very good one with 5 to 8 layers, in which you can store everything from your shoes to shoes, slippers. And since it is made of plastic, it is very lightweight. And these are Q-ring clip buckles, so these types of buckles will be very good to put in your keys. If you need a ring for your keys, then you can order this type of ring from Amazon because these are very safe for your keys. I am showing you chair covers with fridge for chairs. These are chair covers with fridge which are very good. They fit on your seat. I will show you a mini food chopper. If you want a type of small machine with a button so that you can do it by pressing the button, then you can chop the chips very well by pressing the button without removing your hand. Makeup foldable bag here. If you are going for traveling, then in this type of bag you can easily carry a lot of your makeup items, accessories, perfumes, bottles, even hair braces, etc. Nice magnetic organizers to keep closed clothes in your wardrobe which are made of plastic. If you want, you can take out your closed clothes from the bottom and you can also use it as a garbage bag. Apart from this, I am showing you a mini jewelry case here. If you keep the same jewelry in the same box, then in this way you will get nice mini boxes, in which you can keep every type of jewelry separately. It does not get mixed up with each other. Cosmetic travel bag here. You have to take makeup, etc., whether you go to a wedding, party, or are traveling somewhere. A lot of makeup stuff, patches. All these have to be taken. I am showing you a foam maker here for face wash. For making foam, etc. for face wash, you will get this type of box here which is very good. So to order such boxes, you can go to the link and order from there. Anti-slip tape. This is an anti-slip tape. If you are putting up an album or sticking something on the wall, then this kind of tape will be very useful to you. These are used for multi-purpose, like you have to stick your mat, etc.